हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आई होप आपकी प्रिपरेशन काफ़ी अच्छी चल रही होगी और ऑलमोस्ट अब आपका एग्ज़ाम नेक्स्ट 15 डे के बाद शुरू ही होने वाला है। सो आई होप you are doing exceptionally well. In this particular video, I am just going to tell all about the time management. So students, I have written one particular blog on the Quora post also, that is all about the efficient, what is meaning of efficient time management. So students, if you will think about the time management, everybody think that time management means that you have to just generate the speed. That is not the time management. The time management will start from your preparation. So it will start from your making notes. So I have discussed each and everything in my blog, so you can read it very nicely. I am just explaining as a teacher what I want to say you in that particular blog. So students, in that particular blog, I have tell about the mainly three things. First thing is all about how you have to make the notes, and out of that notes how you will make the synopsis, such that in the time of examination you have to just go and revise the synopsis. And it is my personal view that in your synopsis you have to you have to just introduce all these concepts which are very important, all the formulas and especially calculation, because if you are the physics students, calculation is very important, because that is the only thing where you can save your time, as you will do the very smart calculation. I never believe in the fast calculation, I always believe in the smart calculation. So you have to be very much careful about all about this. And then second, once you will do your synopsis, the second thing, you have to practice as much as your previous year questions as well as full length test. So now this is the time that you have to go for your full length test, and once you are giving the full length test, you have to make an algorithm. So what is the my algorithm? My algorithm is all about that you have to first attempt the in a first phase, that you have to attempt the all the easy question. What is meaning of easy question? Meaning of easy question is that you have to solve that type of question earlier in during your preparation, and either they are formula based or they are just a concept based, and very simple calculation is that. And if you will see in the any examination, almost 25% question will be something like that. So you have to choose that 25% question into first phase of your 3 hour examination, and then you have to go for the that type of question into second phase, where you know the concept and you know that the calculation will be little bit lengthy, but you know all these particular calculation and you can go for that particular calculation also. So this is all about the second phase. And in the last third phase, that is in the last 30 minutes, it is a very crucial for you. And in this phase you have to go for that question where you are not attempted earlier, but you can apply your brain in a very logical way. And in the last phase, if you are just achieving only 10% question, then it will be more than enough. So it is very important that you have to target at least 55% question. Phase 1 25, phase 2 20%, and phase 3 is all about 10%. So this is very important, and you have to practice this thing in your full length test, such that in the examination you can replicate all these things. And one of the very important thing for the GATE and IT JAM aspirant students, that there is NAT and this MSQ is also there. So if you are attempting NAT and MSQ, you have to be very much conscious, and you have to attempt with the full of confidence and full of calculation. Unless until you are not doing the complete calculation, it will be very difficult to get the marks, because suppose for MSQ you are getting the two option correct, and next two are you don't know, then you will not get any marks, in spite of there is not any negative mark, but that will kill your time. So here the time management is very important. So, and I never go for the guess type of thing, but yes, you can do the guess if you know at least 75% of this particular question, then you can go for the smart guess, but never do the blind guess. This is very important. So students, in that particular blog, what I have done, I have written each and every step. You have to read that particular blog, and once you will read that thing, and then you can make your own plan. This is very important, that how you will go for the examination, and in the last 15 day before the examination, you have to replicate that plan again and again and again. So students, time management doesn't mean speed, it means optimize your marks, it means you have to give your 100% in the examination. And my theory is that if in any examination, if you are getting the 55% attempt question in a very hard work manner or in a very honest manner, then obviously you can get the success. And so students, so just read that blog in the Quora, and I will just give the link in your YouTube channel also, so you can get that particular blog. And once you will read that blog, if you have any question, you can let me ask, that I can give you the answer. And same time, in the next blog, I am just trying to tell you all about the how to attempt MSQ and NAT. This is very important for especially NET and IT JAM examination. So CSIR exam is at 28 February, so it is little bit late. So first we have to focus on GATE and IT JAM examination. So students, never get disheartened. Just give your 100%. आप कंटिन्यूअसली अपग्रेड करते रहो, लास्ट टू लास्ट टाइम तक अपग्रेड करते रहो, अपनी सिनॉप्सिस को अपग्रेड करते रहो, अपने क्वेश्चंस को अपग्रेड करते रहो, अपने माइंड को अपग्रेड करते रहो. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू जस्ट go to that particular blog, read it carefully, and just try to replicate it. Thank you.